Hi guys, we're doing our last page of our packet today. This is verb tenses and it is page 118. 118. Find that page in your packet and let's chat about it. We did talk about verb tenses in a previous packet, so this is a little bit of a review. So hopefully you've got this down. But we are going to read together in the box. Time conveys past, present, or future. So we're going to look for the verb in the sentence. Remember, the verb is the action word. And if it conveys time, then it will talk about the past, present, or future. So let's take a look at our sentence. It says, the cougar went to its lair. If it went, then it did it in the past, right? Yeah, so that one conveys time. Sequence, the next one down, conveys order of events. We've talked about sequence of events, and that's the order of events. It's the order in which things happen. So let's read the sentence and get an example. Read the book, and then we will discuss cougars. Ooh, there's a typo right there. That should say cougars, not cougars. So our verb is read, and then the next part is will discuss. That is something that's going to happen. First, we're going to read, and then we will discuss. So that's talking about sequence of events. First this, then that. Okay? A condition. A condition conveys that one action or state of being depends on a condition being met. Watch for the word if, because that is kind of a hint that it's a condition. If this happens, then this other thing will happen. Okay, let's take a look. If the trackers catch a cougar, they will tag it. If this happens, then something else can happen. That's a condition, right? Remember, or you've ever heard the saying, on one condition, right? I'll do this if this other thing happens. That's a condition. So now let's take a look at what we're going to do for 1 through 5. It says, on the line following each sentence, tell if the verb or verbs express time, sequence, condition. Oh, we didn't talk about state or state. Let's go back up to the top now because we've got to talk about state. And I'm sorry, I feel so dark here in this corner. So sorry about the lighting. It's not the best, but at least you can hear me. State, I'm going back up right here into the box, right there, boom, boom, boom. State conveys a subject state of being. Usually it's kind of like a feeling, okay? Let's look at the example. The cougar felt frightened without its mother. Felt is the verb, that's the action word, but it's really talking about a feeling, right? So he felt frightened without its mother. Okay, now let's take a look. No, I'm actually just creating a video. Well, you're fine. Have a good weekend. See you later. Sorry, Mrs. Goodwin's leaving for the day, and I wanted to say goodbye. I'm making this video on a Friday, so. The cubs, this is number 1. The cubs greedily drank the milk. What's our action word? First, let's find it. What's the verb? Drank, right. That's our action word. They drank the milk. Now we have to decide if it's time, sequence, a condition, or a state. Well, drank really isn't a state. It's not a feeling. Drank isn't a feeling, so we're going to get rid of that one. And I didn't see the word if, like if this happens, then something else will happen. So it's not a condition. Is it sequence of events? First we're going to do this, then we're going to do this. It doesn't list more than one. It just says drank, and drank means it was done in the past, so it's time. Time. So I'm going to write time right there on my blank. Time. Okay, let's take a look at number 2. After they play, They will eat again. I've got two verbs in here. I've got play and I've got eat. It's not really about time. It's not a feeling, so it's not state. I don't see an if, so it's not a condition. But it is talking about what will happen in an order, right? After they play, they will eat again. Sequence of events, right? Or sequence. We'll just put sequence. Okay, so you're going to write sequence. Sequence. You got it? All right, if you need to pause, go ahead and pause so you can catch up. Otherwise, I'm going to keep going. If they go to the watering hole, they may fall in. I heard the magic word there. If. Which one goes with if? The condition, right? If something happens, then something else is going to happen. Or you could say on one condition, right? So that's our magic word if. So on this line right here, we're going to put condition. Condition. Okay, number 4. The mother cougar watches their moves carefully. What's our action word? What's the verb? Watches. Now we have to decide which one does that go with. There's not an if, so it's not condition. It's not a feeling, so it's not state. It doesn't list more than one thing, so I can't see a sequence. It's going to be time. Now, the part that might be confusing is watches means she's doing it right then. It's present tense, right? Well, we can have a present tense. There we go, present tense in our time, right? So we're going to put time. It's a present tense for time. There we go, right? We got time. Last one. Dun, dun, dun. She feels anxious about their safety. Feels. Which one did we say goes with feelings? State, right? Someone's state of being is how they're feeling. Feels, that's our verb, that's our action word. So number 5 should be state. Yep, right, state on that last line. State of being, that's how they feel. That's our last one. You did it. You're amazing.